Oh yeah, there's ink on there.
Okay, Lily.
I need it.
Shake its hand. Okay, Dev.
What if you saw a werewolf? I'd kill it.
How about I'd give it a kiss or a hug?
No, how about this? I'd tame it and make it my pet.
There you go.
That's a good one.
Make it my pet. Try it again, Dev.
What if you saw a werewolf? I'd make it my pet.
Good. Lizzie?
What would you do if you saw a ghost? I'd make a monster friend.
I'd make a monster friend. Is that it? Okay. All right, Liz Dorothy.
Now let's have. Wow, boy, she's brave. Let's have Mrs.
Trupiano.
Trupiano. I'll give her a special award for bravery.
Okay, now what do you do, Piper?
Mrs. Trupiano.
Okay, good. I think we got it.